Today is Amazon Prime Day, and I've hunted down the hottest deals to share with you. The last one will blow your mind. Let's dive in. First, the MOUNTUP Rolling Mobile TV drops from $169.99 to $99.98, a massive 41% off, perfect for home upgrades. Next, the NEEWER CM28 wireless lavalier microphone falls from $129 to $70.64, saving 45%, ideal for creators. Next, the Beats Solo 4 wireless Bluetooth headphones are now $97.99, down from $199.95, 51% off for premium sound. Then, the Craftsman VERSASTACK mechanics tool set slashes from $199 to $84.15, a whopping 58% discount for DIY enthusiasts. And the grand finale, Blink Outdoor 4, the latest model, drops from $259.99 to $99.99, 62% off for top-notch security. But here's the tip: avoid impulse buys. Shop smart, focus on what you need, and maximize your savings today. Like and subscribe for more deals. See you next time.